Welcome back to Top Camp. The question for today is, what is the pH of a zero point 0.1 polar solution of barium hydroxide? The answer to this question is 13.3, but how do we get there? Let's quickly show you. Barium hydroxide breaks down to release one barium ion and two hydroxide ions per barium hydroxide molecule, which means two pole hydroxide ions are released per pole of barium hydroxide. So the hydroxide ion concentration in a 0.1 polar solution of barium hydroxide 2 times 0.10, which turns out to be 0.20 mole per liter hydroxide ions. Now the formula relating the hydroxide ion concentration of a solution to its pOH is pOH equals to negative log to the base 10 of OH negative concentration. So if we plug in 0.20 in place of hydroxide ion concentration, it gives us the pOH of the given barium hydroxide solution, that is 0.699. The pOH of an aqueous solution is related to its pH on a scale of 0 to 14 as pH plus pOH equals to 14, or we can rearrange it as pH equals to 14 minus pOH. So now that we have already calculated the pOH of 0.1 polar barium hydroxide solution, we can find its pH subtracting 0.699 from 14, which gives us 13.301, or simply 13.3 to 1 decimal place. So that's how you calculate the pH of 0.1 polar barium hydroxide solution. Like, share and subscribe to Top Camp for more such content. Until then, see you.